Forgiveness is a complex and deeply ingrained human behavior that holds immense importance in our lives. It is a multifaceted concept that impacts our mental, emotional, and even physical well-being. In the following explanation, I will delve into various aspects of forgiveness, its significance, and the reasons why it is essential. 1. Mental and emotional health. Forgiveness plays a pivotal role in preserving our mental and emotional health. Holding on to grudges, resentment, or anger can lead to chronic stress, anxiety, and even depression. When we forgive, we release the emotional burden we carry, providing relief to our minds. It allows us to let go of negative emotions and thoughts, fostering a sense of inner peace and emotional well-being. 2. Healing and closure. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for healing. It allows individuals to find closure after experiencing hurt or betrayal. By forgiving, we acknowledge the pain we've endured and choose to move forward, healing emotional wounds. This process can be particularly important in the face of traumatic events, as it facilitates recovery and prevents the festering of emotional scars. 3. Relationship improvement. Forgiveness is a cornerstone of healthy relationships. In any human interaction, conflicts and misunderstandings are inevitable. When we forgive, we not only repair the damage caused by these conflicts but also strengthen the bonds we share with others. Forgiveness promotes empathy, understanding, and compassion, which are essential for nurturing healthy relationships. 4. Self-empowerment. Forgiveness is an empowering act. It allows individuals to take control of their emotions and reactions. Instead of being driven by anger or resentment, forgiveness empowers us to choose forgiveness as a conscious decision. This sense of agency is essential for personal growth and self-improvement. 5. Physical health benefits. Research has shown that forgiveness can have positive effects on physical health. Chronic stress and negative emotions can lead to various health issues, including high blood pressure, heart problems, and compromised immune function. By letting go of grudges and practicing forgiveness, individuals can reduce stress levels and, subsequently, improve their overall physical well-being. 6. Breaking cycles of hurt. Forgiveness is a powerful tool for breaking cycles of hurt and retaliation. When we forgive, we interrupt the perpetuation of negativity and conflict. By choosing forgiveness, we can inspire others to do the same, creating a ripple effect of compassion and healing. 7. Moral and ethical growth. Forgiveness is often linked to moral and ethical growth. It involves empathizing with the wrongdoer and recognizing their humanity, which can foster a sense of moral maturity. It challenges us to reflect on our values and principles and encourages personal development. 8. Social harmony. Forgiveness extends beyond the individual level. It has the potential to contribute to broader social harmony. In societies and communities, forgiveness can play a pivotal role in reconciliation, conflict resolution, and the building of trust. It has been instrumental in post-conflict scenarios, fostering peace and stability. 9. Stress reduction. One of the most immediate benefits of forgiveness is stress reduction. When we forgive, we release the pent-up tension and negative emotions associated with a grievance. This act of letting go alleviates the physiological and psychological stress that can harm our well-being. 10. Enhanced resilience. Forgiveness is closely linked to resilience, the ability to bounce back from adversity. By forgiving, individuals demonstrate their ability to adapt and grow stronger in the face of challenges. It provides a framework for developing coping strategies that promote mental toughness and emotional resilience. In summary, forgiveness is crucial for our mental, emotional, and physical well-being. It is a process that involves letting go of negative emotions, healing emotional wounds, and fostering healthier relationships. Moreover, it empowers individuals, contributes to personal growth, and plays a vital role in social harmony. Forgiveness is not just a moral virtue. It is a fundamental aspect of human psychology that has far-reaching implications for our overall quality of life.